Hi folks, it's Rob here from Bonavista Leisurescapes again, and I'm here to show you folks how to access your new Hydropool self-clean filtration assembly. And so the first thing starts here at your filter assembly here, which I'm standing in front of. The first part is pretty easy. You're going to take the lid right off the top here, okay, and just discard it. And then we're going to remove this front plate here, and to do that, you just very simply slide it up and out of the fitting, and then you'll discard that to the side. And then what you'll see here is two canisters. So the canister here on my right, this is where your skimmer is going to be, okay? And it's a long cylindrical skimmer, and on the inside it very simply pops off just like that. So that's where you're going to get leaf debris, hair, that sort of thing. And so once a week you're going to want to clean out your skimmer, okay? And we'll just set that to the side for now. And on the inside of this is your fast flow pre-filter. And this pre-filter is designed to be cleaned once a week and then discarded every 3 months, okay? So you'll just leave that in there and you're gonna replace it a couple times a year. There's not much else to do with that. And we'll put that back in and just simply screw it down on the inside of the hot tub. Now that's your skimmer assembly, but on the left-hand side is our pressurized filtration assembly. And to access this, you're gonna very simply lift this gray tab here and spin the ring off of the assembly. And you're gonna pull this handle up and out, and what this is your self-cleaning brominator. And so you can see some bromine pucks are already in there and loaded, ready to go. So once a week you're going to open this up and add your bromine tablets directly to your brominator. And then underneath that is your self-cleaning filter. So your filter needs to be replaced once a year or cleaned on a weekly basis. And so we recommend having a second filter in place as well so that you can rotate the filters in and out so it's a little bit more convenient for you on a regular basis. And so that is your brand new Hydropool self-cleaning skimmer assembly system broken down for you.